Behind me are soldiers over here. Look quite well equipped. Let's go chat to them and ask them a few questions. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yangon. And where are you from?
Yangon. Yes.
Okay. You escape from leave Yangon, and you come to Karen State. When did you come here?
2021 April.
When you were in Yangon, right?
Yes.
You see protest, violence.
Yes. I say something in this year. My friend died about Myanmar.
So the Burmese soldiers kill him.
Kill him.
And why did you come here?
I hate soldier, Burmese soldier. Myanmar. Burma and Karen together will fight Myanmar. Very strong.
It's a new dynamic in this perspective of Burma, because now we see the Burmese ethnic people coming up, joining forces with ethnic armies like the Karen. And this is the Ktla army. These guys are they're dedicated to getting rid of Min Aung Hlaing and the military mafia.
Now everybody, PTS soldier, Karen soldier, together fighting the Burmese soldier.
This is in a remote area of Karen State, and just recently in February, this area was attacked by Burmese soldiers, and these are some of the soldiers behind me now. How old are you?
I'm 20.
20 years old?
20 years old. Army soldier can. I will fight. Ready for fight. I want justice. I want freedom.
And these guys have been out here for some 1 year, some 2 years, but they basically all left Central Burma, Lower Burma. There's a mix of guys here from various different ethnic groups. The ethnic Burma, they also Karens from down south in the Delta area, Yangon, Mandalay. That's where these guys came from.
So the Burmese dictatorship people, they beat the people on the street and they kill. The only one way that they have to come to our current territory area and hold the weapon and fight back. Yeah. So they decided to join and to come to our territory area.
Okay. So you joined with Karen?
Yes.
You were from Yangon before?
Yes.
And you saw the violence by the military government?
Yes.
And did you see protests?
Yes.
Did you see people injured?
Yes.
Did you see people getting shot?
Yes.
How many?
Only that. And there's many.
Not only Karen people, these guys are also Burmese guys. So we work together, all the Burmese people who against to the Damodar dictatorship. So we are stand together, we fight together. We never give up. Our commander, he is a KNDO and I'm a Ktla. So we work together in the underground.